Dear, fleeting, sweeting, little soul, my body's comrade and its guest, thou hast found rest from vain fancies. I ask, what region now must be thy goal? Thou hast done every act in life as though it were thy last. Poor little one, thou hast known the longest lived and the shortest lived lose one and the same thing. Known, naked soul, unable as of old to inquire of what is required of thee, though thou be destined to live in eternity. Remember, no man loseth another life than that which he liveth, and no man liveth another life than that which he loseth.